Welcome to 250 St. John Street in the lovely little town of Loretto. This building warehouse is located right off Highway 55 in the heart of Loretto. This building's great for any businesses that primarily focus on catering to the West Metro. We get a lot of contractors that want to work out of here. Because it is a warehouse and it's small bay, it's super affordable just because it's a little bit further from the cities, but it's still only 30 minutes to downtown Minneapolis. The building's got 4 drive-in bays and 1 dock door. One of the larger suites has 18-foot clear height. We've got various levels of HVAC. And then there's also a large outdoor parking space that many of the tenants use. We also do rent that out if you're looking for a more permanent guaranteed space for your business that needs to store any sort of your outdoor equipment. 250 St. John Street, it's a 1-acre lot. It's right in the heart of Loretto. Again, great for any business that caters to the West Metro and looking for that industrial or warehouse option with maybe a little bit of office or no office at all. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to hear from you. If you're interested in this building, please reach out.